Assalamu alaikum. This is the fourth video of ISSB preparation series. This video is about academic questions of the ISSB screening test. इस वीडियो में मैं आपको 9 सब्जेक्ट्स या एरियाज ऑफ क्वेश्चंस के बारे में गाइड करूंगा जहां से स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. But before that, I will quickly revise what is ISSB screening test. It is a computer-based test. You have to click on the correct option using the computer mouse. With the start of the test, time starts on the computer screen. When the time is up, you cannot use the mouse, means you cannot answer any question. You will face 4 kinds of questions in screening test. These are verbal, non-verbal, academic and mechanical. In the previous videos, we learned verbal questions and non-verbal questions in detail. Now this video is about academic questions of the ISSB screening test. First, what are academic questions? Academic questions are MCQs of general science, general knowledge and current affairs. Subjects basically include chemistry, physics, Islamiat, general knowledge, and in general knowledge about Pakistan, general knowledge about international affairs, everyday science, and then Pakistan affairs, mathematics and current affairs. Academic questions are the test of your knowledge and memory. Unlike verbal and non-verbal questions, one does not need to think a lot. अगर आपको जवाब आते हैं तो ठीक, नहीं तो स्किप करना होगा. सोच के या इमेजिनेशन के ज़रिए आप जवाब नहीं दे सकोगे, क्योंकि ये नॉलेज और अवेयरनेस के क्वेश्चंस हैं. इसके बरअक्स वर्बल और नॉन वर्बल क्वेश्चंस में आपको इमेजिनेशन करके सोच के जवाब देना होता है. नाउ हाउ टू प्रिपेयर एकेडमिक क्वेश्चंस. ब्रीफली स्पीकिंग, रिवाइज मैट्रिक एंड एफएससी बुक्स, रीड डेली न्यूज़पेपर and improve general knowledge. Now we will discuss 9 areas of questions of academic part of the ISSB screening test. हम हर सब्जेक्ट से 2-2 सवालात सैंपल के तौर पर सॉल्व करेंगे. I shall mention here that these divisions of areas of questions into everyday science, international affairs, Pakistan studies, general knowledge about Pakistan, etc. is not the exact pattern of the ISSB screening test. I have categorized these subjects so that you can systematically and easily prepare for the academic question part of screening test. The first subject is chemistry. I will read question number 1. If a substance converts from solid into liquid, then all of the following are true except, and the options are: distance between molecules increase, kinetic energy increase, intermolecular force strengthens, and the last option, movement of molecules increase. And the answer is C, intermolecular force strengthens. Question number 2. Jabir bin Hayyan discovered method of purifying elemental dash. Options are water, sulfuric acid, mercury, and the last option, acids. And the correct option is C, that is mercury. So you can see that these questions are the test of your knowledge. You cannot find the answer if you did not study. Second subject is physics, and the first question is: who wrote Athar al-Baqiyya? And the options are Al-Biruni, Ibn al-Haytham, Al-Zahrawi, Ibn Sina. The answer is option number A, Al-Biruni. Question number 4. Concave lens is used to correct. Option number A, nearsightedness, B, farsightedness, C, both A and B, option D, none of these. And the answer is option number A, nearsightedness. The third subject is Islamiat, and the first question is: Surah Fatah was revealed on the occasion of dash. The options are Fatah Makkah, Treaty of Hudaybiyah, Fatah Khaybar, and Ghazwa Ahzab. The answer is Treaty of Hudaybiyah. Question number 6. The Holy Quran is mainly concerned with dash. Option number A, universe. Option number B, paradise and hell. Option C, human beings. Option D, prophets. And the answer is human beings. The fourth subject is general knowledge, and the first part of general knowledge is general knowledge about Pakistan. The first question of this part, but the seventh question of the video is the highest civil award of Pakistan is option number A, Nishan Pakistan, option B, Nishan Haider, C, Hilal Imtiaz, D, Tamghe Istiqlal. Answer is option A, Nishan Pakistan. Question number 8. Total length of Pakistan's land border is dash. A, 6,774 km. Option B, 2,400 km. Option C, 2,900 km. D, 1,046 km. The total land border of Pakistan will be land border with Iran plus land border with Afghanistan plus land border with China plus land border with India, and this equals to 6,774 km. The next part is general knowledge about international affairs, and the question is the United Nations headquarters is located in, options are London, Moscow, Europe or New York, and the correct option is D, that is New York. Question number 10. Afghanistan is located in which part of the world? Option number A, Middle East, option B, Gulf region, option C, South Central Asia, option D, Persian Gulf, and the answer is South Central Asia. Now the everyday science part of general knowledge. Question number 11. Which bone is known as beauty bone? Options are carpal, the clavicle or collarbone, jawbone, option D, ribs, and the answer is the clavicle or collarbone. Question number 12. The science of beekeeping is called A, apiculture, B, numismatics, C, acrophobia, D, seismology. Seismology is the study about earthquakes. Acrophobia means fear of height. Numismatics is the collection of coins and currencies, and apiculture is the science of beekeeping. Therefore, option A is right. The next part is Pakistan affairs or Pakistan studies. Question number 13. Quaid-e-Azam resigned from Congress in, option A, 1906, option B, 1910, option C, 1913, option D, 1920. Muslim League was formed in 1906. In 1913, Quaid-e-Azam joined Muslim League, and in 1920, Quaid-e-Azam quit Congress. Therefore, the answer is 1920. Question number 14. India would be divided into two separate states was announced in which declaration? Option A, Government of India Act 1919, 3rd June Plan of 1947, Simon Commission Report, Minto-Morley Reforms 1909. 3rd June Plan of 1947 is the answer. The 8th area of question is mathematics. Question number 15. Two matrices X and Y can be multiplied to find X, Y if numbers of columns in both matrices are same. Option B, numbers of columns must be different. Option C, X is transpose of Y. Option D, both A and B. And the answer is option number A, which is number of columns in both matrices are same. Question number 16. 10 factorial is equal to dash. Option A, 90. Option B, 180. Option C, 3628800. Option D, 10. Those who know that 10 factorial means 10 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7 up to 1 can easily guess that option C is the answer. Now the ninth and the last subject or area of question for screening test is current affairs. Question number 17. Who is the current Secretary General of SAARC? Option number A, Saad Hariri. Option B, Antonio Guterres. Option C, Christine Lagarde. Option D, Amjad Hussain Sial. Answer is Amjad Hussain Sial. Question number 18. Who is the President of State Bank of Pakistan? Option number A, Reza Bakir. Option B, Dr. Abdul Hafiz Sheikh. Option C, Arif Usmani. Option D, Asad Umar. And the current president of State Bank of Pakistan is Reza Bakir. If you read newspaper, then you can easily solve current affair portion questions.